Okay, let's quickly take a look at these three examples, all right? Example one, this actually represents the decimal system, all right? The decimal system, when you are having the range of 0 to 9, okay? That's what is actually happening here. This is the decimal system, all right? So we have 425 plus 78, and the sum is actually 503, right? 503. Let's do some here in mathematics. Let me see if I can see if we can let me open a board for you so that we can take a look at that. All right, so what we got is 425. What I have is 425 plus 73. Okay, 425 plus 78 actually 425 plus 78. So if we are to do that, 425 plus 78. Okay, this is how you solve it. If you have to solve that, okay, your 5 plus 8 is 13. You have your 3, carry 1, right? And then your 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 1 you carry that give you 10, carry 1 again, and then plus this one give you 5. That gave us 503, all right? So that is why we got the result here as 503, okay? So this is the decimal system, okay? The decimal system. This expression 425 plus 78 are two numbers represented in the decimal system, and their sum is actually 503. Then this other one is the binary system, okay? What I have is 101 base 2 plus 110 base 2. Okay, so you decide to add them together, right? Okay, so how do you solve question like this? Let me show you what to do. I'm going to quickly open a page, another tab now. All right, let's bring it up. What I got was 101 base 2. So 1011. All right, good. So what do I have? 1011 base 2 plus, okay, sorry, that is the plus. The second value is 110, okay? The second value is 110. So you are ready this way, 110, all right? Underline it. Okay, now what you do is, since the all is base 2, you have your 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, it's not more than 2, so you take only 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now because it's a base 2, your 2 inside 2 you have 1 and 0. Okay, inside 2 you have 1 and 0. Is it clear to you? Inside 2 you have 1 and 0. So what you do is you take your 1, I take what? 0. If you take 1, 2 out of 2, you are left with 0. So write down the 0, carry the 1. Is it clear? Then you take it to this next stage here. You have a 0 plus 1 plus that one you carry. They gave you that would give you 2 again. So since in 2 you have 1 and 0 again, write down 0. You carry 1 again. Is it clear? Then you add it to this other one, the last one here. That one you carry plus this one now going to give us what? That going to give us what? 2 again. Now in this last 2, you cannot just write 2 like that because I think in base 2, what you're going to write is what? 1 and 0. So your result going to be what? 10001. Okay, that will be our answer here. 10001. Okay, that's what we got here in base 2. 10001 base 2. I hope this is clear to you. If it's not clear, please always ask, okay, so they can get it right and then we can move on. All right. All right, guys. Let's quickly solve this one. All right, hexadecimal system. Where do we have 3a base 16 minus 1f base 16? Okay, I was actually going to get 1 base 16 base 16, but then how do we solve this? Okay, let's see how we got the answer, right? So I'm going to take it to my board here. On my board here, let me open the first page here. Okay, yeah, this one here. Now it's an hexadecimal system. The hexadecimal system is actually base 16. Is that clear? It's actually base 16. That's why I have 16. My 16 is here, right? So 3a and 1f. Your a is actually 10. Now in hexadecimal system, since it's base 16, from your 0 to 9, after your 9, we now have a, b, c, d, e, f. That way stop, right? So obviously your a is 10, while your f is actually what? 15. Is that clear? Your a is 10, your f is 15. So we're going to say 3a minus 1f. Okay, 3a minus. So what we're going to do is to convert 3a to base 10 and then convert the 1f also to base 10. So what I did is this. Okay, this is what I actually did. Converting my 3a to base 10, I'm going to have 3 brackets 16. Okay, plus a bracket 16. So this one going to carry what? 0 as power. Why this one going to carry 1 as power? I hope my board is clear to you, all right? Because I'm actually trying to minimize my board, right? So what I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to say 16 raised to power 1. 16 raised to power 1 is actually 16. Then times 3 give us was 48. I got 48 here. Plus 16 raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is actually 1, all right? So that 1 times 10. A is 10, right? So 1 times 10 gave you 10. So 48 plus 10 going to give us what? 48 plus 10 is going to give us 58, right? Is it not 58? So we're going to get 58. Let me write 58 here. All right, that gave us what? 3a. So 3a 3a base 16 to base 10 gave us what? 58 base 10. Is that clear? So let's go convert the other one too. Let's convert 1f to base 10. Let's convert 1f to base 10. So I'm going to open another page. All right, let's see if I can open another page for you. Let's convert 1f to base 10. All right, 1f to base 10. So I have my 1, I have my f. All right, if that will be equals to 1 bracket 16. All right, sorry, 1 bracket 16 plus f bracket 16. Okay, so I have 0 as power here, and then 0 is power, the power is supposed to be 0. All right, start from 0, then you have 1. Okay, if you are starting from your right hand towards your left hand, okay, you have 16 carry 0. Why did that one carry 1? So I have what? 16 raised to power 1 again is 16 times 1 gave you 16 here. I got 16 plus 16 raised by 0 is 1. 1 times 15 is what? 15. So what is 16 plus 15? That's going to give us what? 1 here. You have 31. Okay, so that's going to give us 31 base 10. So the last result is going to be like, we're going to now convert. The result we got here was 58, right? So we're going to say 58 now minus 58 minus what? 31. Okay, that's what we're going to do now, right? So let's do 58 minus 31. 58 minus 31, because it's subtraction, it's not addition, right? 8 plus 8 minus 1 gave us 7, and then 5 minus 3 gave us what? 2. That gives us 27 base 10. So what would we again? You have to now to convert 27 base 10 back to what? To base 16. All right, so how many 16 are in base 10? I'm going to show you that part. Okay, yeah, let's continue. How many 16 are in base 10? So what we're going to do is simply subtract. Okay, let me open another page. 27. What is 27 minus 16? 27, okay, sorry, 27, all right, minus 16. That's going to give us 1 here. That's going to give us here 1. That's 11, right? We have 11. So what is 11 in base 16? So I have one whole number and 11. Okay, 1 whole number and 11 under hexadecimal system, which is base 16. Therefore, your 1 is what? Your 1 will remain as 1, all right? And then what is 11? 11 is actually B, so that gives you what? 1B, okay, in base 16. 1B in base 16. Is it clear to you? So my answer is going to be 16, 1B, all right? That's why I got my 1B here as my answer here, 1B, okay, in base 16. Don't worry, we're going to go deeper and we'll understand this better, right? If you have any question, please feel free. Now ask your question, right? This is the introductory part of this. We'll move on to explain this better and better as we move on, right? This is Dr. Tam K. Drop your question right now.